Hello everyone, welcome back to Story Time with Hajira. Today we are reading I Love My Dragon. So let's get started. My dragon and I have been friends since I was a baby. We go everywhere together. My dragon and I love music and reading. We love the pool. We love the beach. My dragon and I share snacks and juice and adventures. We take good care of my baby brother and have so much fun together, especially when we fly.